let's address the elephant in the room immediately. If you've browsed YouTube or Reddit right now, you've probably heard that eBay is dead in 2026. You've heard that dropshipping is saturated or that you need thousands for ads. But they are lying to you. The truth is, eBay remains the safest place to start an online business because the traffic is free. On Shopify, you are shopping in the desert, but on eBay, you are in the mall. The customers are already there with credit cards in hands. In this masterclass, I'm going to walk you through a realistic roadmap from zero to your first sale and then scaling to $10,000 a month. I'm speaking fast because we have a lot to cover, so now let's get to work. Here is the roadmap. We are covering the Bulletproof method, advanced market research using Terapeak, the pro photo and listing strategy, the sniper method to find winning products, and finally scaling with automation. Grab a notebook because the details I'm about to share with you are the difference between making $50 and making $5,000. Step number 1. Setup. Do not rush this. Go to ebay.com. If you have an old account, use it because aged accounts are gold. If not, register a personal account. Do not choose business yet. It triggers verification you do not need. You might be asked to complete your account info if your account is brand new. But there is one crucial step. Go to payments, link your Pioneer or bank account. The name must match letter for letter. If your name on eBay is David Smith, but your bank account is David S., the system flags it as potential fraud. If your address on eBay is Street 5, but the bank has STR5, it flags it. Open your bank statement, look at exactly how they spell your name and address, and copy it character for character into eBay. This sounds boring, but it is the foundation of your security. Okay, your account is created, your bank is linked. So what do you do next? List an item, right? No. If you list an item immediately after creating your account, you look like a bot, so eBay will suspend you. We need to do something called cookie farming. For the first 48 hours, I want you to act like a bored consumer. Search for a vintage one, for example. Click on it. Read the description. Add it to your watch list. Go look for a set of tools. Compare prices. Maybe even bid $1 on an auction you know you won't win. You are building a digital footprint. You are generating cookies in your browser that tell eBay's algorithm, hey, this is a real human being interested in the platform. Only after 48 hours of normal browsing activity are you safe to click that list item button. Step 2. Valuation. For this demonstration, I am using stainless steel garlic press from my kitchen. But why? Because we are using this item to show the entire listing process from start to finish. Once you master the mechanics with a $10 item from your house, scaling to dropshipping is easy. Now let's value it properly. Beginners check active listings, while masters use Terapeak. Here is how you find it because it is hidden. Go to Seller Hub, then hover over the Research tab at the top, click on Terapeak Product Research. This tool gives you access to real eBay data. Type in stainless steel garlic press. Look at the results. Don't just look at the price. Look at sell-through rate. If it is above 50%, it sells fast. If it's 5%, nobody wants it. The data tells me this sells for around $10, so I will just list mine for $9.40 to get a quick sale. Quick pause. I just showed you Terapeak, a tool that most gurus charge for. If that was useful, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm this is real value. You done? Let's fix your photos then. Step 3. The AI listing. Before we write the text, let's talk about photos. There is a golden rule. The main photo gets the click and the gallery photos get the sale. Don't waste time being a photographer. Find a clean stock image online, but never upload it raw. Here is the workflow. Take that image into Gemini, more specifically the tool Nano Banana. Don't just click buttons, prompt it. Make this product look professional on a white studio background. You might want to expand a little bit on the prompt. In my example, I add shadow and remove the unnecessary things. It's okay if it doesn't work initially. Expand the description of the prompt and try again. It will generate a killer image, but it might have a watermark. That's not a problem. Take it into Canva. Remove the watermark and then drag your fast shipping batch onto the corner. This stops the scroll. Finally, run that Canva image through an IMG upscale AI or just regular tool. eBay's algorithm loves high resolution images. Blurry photos look cheap. And don't stop there. Upload photos from every angle in your gallery. More photos equal higher trust. To do that, you can use the Gemini strategy we already did earlier. Prompt it something like, create me 5 different pictures with 5 different angles of the original picture. And don't forget to use Nano Banana. And now for the text. Open Gemini or ChatGPT. Prompt it, act as an eBay SEO expert. Write an optimized title that is under 80 characters using keywords like chef, kitchen tools, stainless steel. Paste it. Use all 80 characters. Then fill out item specifics. If you skip materials or color, you are invisible to the filter. Fill every single field to double your traffic. Step 4. Logistics. Select calculated shipping. eBay calculates the cost based on the buyer's location. Get a cheap kitchen scale to weight your item. Guessing leads to losing money. And never buy postage at the post office. Buy the label through eBay to save 30%, print it at home, tape it, and then drop it off. And now we pivot to the big money, dropshipping. We find items on Amazon for $40, then list them on eBay for $60. When it sells, we use the customer money to buy it. You keep the profit without touching the product. Major warning. Do not use your personal Amazon Prime account. Amazon hates resellers. Create a fresh account or a business Prime to protect yourself. But how do you find profitable items? We use the sniper method. Go to eBay, search for a generic brand like Mainstays. Find a listing that has sold recently. Click on the seller's name. Now you are inside their store. Filter by sold and boom! You are looking at their winning products. They sold 5 today for $40. Search to Amazon. Here it is for $25. That is a $15 gap. You just found a winner in 30 seconds. Spy on successful sellers and sell what they are selling. And what if the customer wants to return it? Beginner's panic. Pros have a system. If an eBay buyer opens a return, you go to Amazon and open a return request. Amazon gives you a free return label. You upload that label to eBay for your customer. They ship it back to Amazon. Amazon refunds you. You refund them. You lost nothing. The risk is effectively zero. The only real danger is tracking. Amazon uses TBA numbers which eBay cannot track, and this leads to bans. And that is why we developed Trackerbot. It is our own software that is built specifically to solve this problem. It detects the TBA number from your email and automatically converts it to VD Tracker or Aqualine. These carriers are fully approved by eBay. They show delivered and release your funds while you sleep. I have left a link in the description for a 14 days free trial, so you can try out our tool completely risk-free. And your homework? Set up the account, do the cookie farming, and list one used item. Prove to yourself it works. Then start sniping Amazon products. All the tools and prompts are linked below. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more practical e-commerce tips. Stop watching and start listing. you can check one of our other valuable videos, and I'll see you in the next one.